what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video we'll talk about the OnePlus 6T, or the bigger brother to the Oppo R17. So in this video we'll talk about all the changes that'll happen from the OnePlus 6 to the OnePlus 6T. I'm not going to be boring you guys with, the usual specs and details and stuff like that. Just the main changes that might happen in the OnePlus 6T. With that being said, let's get to the OnePlus 6T. So starting off with change number one, and that is the design change, or the notch, or the water droplet notch. And this comes from the Oppo R17. If you know, OnePlus and Oppo have this tie-up from their parent company, that is BBK Electronics. So Oppo, Vivo and OnePlus belong to this same parent company called BBK Electronics. They're based out in China. I think that's told to you a million times, but still, the Oppo R17 has the same kind of design, and usually this is what happens. A Oppo flagship or a mid-ranger comes out and the OnePlus flagship follows the design cues and whatever features they have. Usually there's a inferior processor in the Oppo ones. That's why the OnePlus 6 or the OnePlus phones are sold. And yeah, this is what is happening this year as well. And the packaging for OnePlus 6T was also leaked. That is why we can confirm that it has the water droplet notch. But if this is the OnePlus 6T, I'm really happy in which direction OnePlus is actually heading, because this is a thought out design. Not everyone likes the notch. Not everyone likes a big fat black notch on their phone screen every time they look at it. And this, this looks clean, this looks minimal, this looks simple. And it looks like OnePlus is putting in some effort. And this is why I like OnePlus. They, seem to know how to balance price to performance, features and everything else. That's why I'm, kind of excited for their phones. Usually everything else is pretty stale. OnePlus flagships are the only phones that I am actually excited or pumped for. They have that affordable price factor, as well as they're, known as flagship killers. So they have top-notch specs and new features. So yeah, there's a lot of R&D that goes into OnePlus phones. Change number two should be with the screen to body ratio. With that droplet notch, you do get 90% screen to body ratio or close to that. Change number three on the front will be that the speakers will be pushed up, above the camera, because there is no space on that notch. Also, the ambient light sensor might accompany the speaker towards the left or the right. There will be a headphone jack, as this is a 6T and not a 7. And also there might not be any big upgrades in terms of specs. There's going to be a Snapdragon 845, 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 and 256 gigabytes of storage, with maybe special edition 512 gigabyte coming out in the future. That's what OnePlus likes to do. No major upgrades in terms of battery or anything like that. USB Type-C with dash charge, nothing new, I guess. I think OnePlus will come out with a new charging technology with the OnePlus 7, as it's a bigger release, more hype. So yeah, more people will know what's actually coming up. And also there might not be a Quad HD display. The rumors are happening, but this is a 6T. This is a T release. This is going to be an incremental upgrade. Although it's massive in a way, it's actually pretty big in a way, but I don't think OnePlus is going to make the jump to Quad HD with the 6T. I think it's going to be the 7 where you will see even better changes. Also, one more thing that is not confirmed, but it is confirmed on the leaked packaging, that is the in-display fingerprint scanner. As the in-display fingerprint scanners are not that fast, they're not that great, like they are not as fast as compared to the usual traditional scanner. But if OnePlus makes the move, I think they'll do it wisely, and they'll have something better than that's actually out in the market right now. Apart from that, talking about the pricing and release date, this should come out anytime in October or November, and the pricing might be around $30 more, or $30 to $50 more than the OnePlus 6. Apart from that, I don't think anything else, anything mind-blowing is going to happen. Let me know your thoughts on the OnePlus 6T. Do you like that water droplet notch? Are you excited for the in-display fingerprint scanner? Are you excited of all the changes that are happening from the OnePlus 6 to the 6T? Thanks so much for watching this one, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you thought this video was helpful, if you enjoyed it in any way. Drop a big fat thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this phone, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.